Good morning, y'all. Got in this GE washer. Let's see what codes it throws. Got in the newspaper. And if you didn't know where the newspaper is, it's under the bottom, taped to the side. That's how you test your crap. Let's get it. Hold start, turn from 12 to 6, release. All right, we're in the flash mode, fault codes. Now it's gonna cycle your fault codes. And all these codes are in binary, so have a pen ready so you can count the lights, match it, and write it down. And that's it. When it flashes all of them again, it cycles back around. Then turn it 16 clicks to just the fill light to clear the codes. All right, so we got 26, 31, 27, 28, 29, and 6. 26 out of balance, 31 out of balance again. Lovely. 27 water accessibility, 28 options feed, 29 suds lock, and 6 critical flood. Okay, let's do some testing. And if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna hit that 1,000 subscribers one day, not tomorrow, maybe next year. All right, when we get some of those pressure switch codes, I like to look for drip of water from the water valves to see if they're dripping and staying open, but I don't see it yet. So we'll just let it sit and we'll test the pressure sensor, the pump, the lid lock, and spin it. All right, start at 12, hold start, turn it to 6, release. I hear a click, and now we're in the flash mode. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, if you turn it 16 times to just the fill light on, that is clearing the codes. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Let's do the pressure test. All right, now it's gonna flash, but it's gonna go through, and every level it hits, it's gonna stop flashing. So we'll let it go. Remember to like and subscribe. All right. Oh, there we go. First level. Stop flashing. Whoops, we missed level 2, but now we're at level 3 and level 4. And I think it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches, I think, but then it'll stop. And then we can check the pump. Woohoo! And hopefully the pump works because it's gonna be full of water. All right, it has now stopped and has reached 7 inches. So let's go ahead and 11 is recirculate. We don't care about that. We want drain pump. It's not draining. I knew I should have tested the drain pump first. Great. Well, let's go ahead and test the lid switch. All right, with the lid down, you'll get rinse. With the lid up, you'll get spin. Down, rinse, up, spin. Oh, we can't test the spin test because we got to drain it. I always test the pump first. I don't know why I didn't test the pump first. Whoopsie. So, looks like we got to test the pump and drain the water. All right, I'm gonna put it back on drain and lean it over and see if the drain pump's humming, and we might test it for 120 volts. Let's do it. Well, there's your sign right there. It is humming and it's hot, and you can see where it might have been dripping water. Yep, that's a problem. But the wire runs over under here. Just need to remove these 3 3/8 screws to take the cover down so we can access the plug going to the pump. Bucket number 1.
Bucket number 2.
All right, that might be enough to where we can turn it sideways. So if you turn the machine to the side where the pump is and lean it the opposite direction, all the water will be over there. Less water, put it that way. The pump is mounted directly to the bottom of the drum with 3 3/8 screws, but have a towel ready because there's gonna be some water left in the hose and in the pump. Yep, you can see where it's been leaking down the middle. Right there. All right, remounting it with the 3 3/8 screws, nothing to it. Just don't forget to put the clamp back on because it will make a big mess. Don't forget the ground. It won't run without the most important wire. Let's see what it does. Meow. Cold start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're training. All right. 14 is spin test. Should lock and spin. Lock. Hey. All right, thank you guys for watching. That baby's working good. No codes after the cycle. Working on a whirlpool actuator now. But I really appreciate y'all leaving comments and saying these are, helping some people, and hitting that like button and subscribing. We gonna keep making dumb videos. So y'all hit me a like, subscribe, and have a great day. Almost to 1,000.